First of all, for this example, we're going to write the equation that's represented by the statement 3 times a number is negative 3.6. So 3 times a number would be 3x. Is means equal, negative 3.6. So 3x equals negative 3.6. The operation is multiplying. So the inverse is division or dividing. So to solve this algebraically, we take our equation, 3x equals negative 3.6, and we're going to divide each side by 3, because the inverse of multiplying is dividing. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, which doesn't change anything, because when you multiply any number by 1, it stays the same. So that cancels out, and we get x equals to negative 1.2.